Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 XF. The XF drives very nicely with agile handling and a comfortable ride. Steering is quick and communicative and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.